Hello friends, now we see the problem number 1, sub question 2, which is a based on binomial theorem of chapter method of induction and binomial theorem. The problem number 1, sub question 2 is expand root 5 minus root 2 whole bracket raise 5. Now let's see the solution. So here we have a is equal to root 5, b equal to root 2 and n equal to 5. By using binomial theorem, we have that equal to square root of 5 whole bracket raise 5 minus 5c1 square root of 5 raise 4 into square root of 2 raise 1 plus 5c2 square root of 5 raise 3 into square root of 2 raise 2 minus 5c3 square root of 5 raise 2 square root of 2 raise 3 plus 5c4 square root of 5 raise 1 square root of 2 raise 4 minus 5c5 square root of 5 raise 0 square root of 2 raise 5. So that equal to, now square root of 5 raise 5, that gives us 25 root 5 minus 5c1 gives us 5 into square root of 5 raise 4 gives us 25 into square root of 2 plus, now for 5c2 we write 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1 into square root of 5 cube, that gives us 5 root 5 into square root of 2 whole square gives us 2, then minus 5c3 can be written as 543 upon 321 into square root of 5 the whole square, that gives us 5, square root of 2 cube gives us 2 root 2 plus, now 5c4 we have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 upon 4 3 2 1 into root 5 raise 1 gives us root 5 into root 2 raise 4 gives us 4 minus 5c5 gives us 1, root 5 raise 0 gives us 1 and root 5 raise 5, so that gives us 4 root 2. So that equal to 25 root 5 minus, now 25 into 5, so that gives us 125 root 2, then plus, here we cancel 2 from numerator denominator, so we have 5 into 4 20, 20 into 5 100, so we have 100 into root 5, then minus Now here 3 we cancel, again 2 we cancel, so we have 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 5, 100. So we get minus 100 root 2. Then 432, 432, we cancel from numerator and denominator. So we left with 5 into 420 root 5, that is plus, and finally 1 into 1 into 4 into root 2. So we get 4 root 2. So now collecting the similar term, that 25 root 5 plus 100 root 5 and 20 root 5. So from that we take root 5 common. So in bracket we have 25 plus 100 plus 20 into root 5, and from remaining term we take minus sign and root 2 common. So we have minus in bracket 125 plus 100 and plus 4. Outside bracket we write root 2. So the next step will be, now 25 plus 100, that gives 125, plus 20, so that gives 145 into root 5 minus, now 125 plus 100, that gives 225 plus 4, so that gives 229, so 229 into root 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.